Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by locking a niche and preparing repeatable hooks. This speeds growth because viewers know what to expect. Once done, film vertical 9, 16 at 1560 seconds and frame the subject center so thumbnails read on mobile. Make sure the first 3 seconds contain your hook, a question, visual surprise, or promise, then add a concise caption, 1-3 targeted hashtags, and choose a clear thumbnail frame before uploading to maximize immediate retention. You now sharpen execution. Edit tightly so each cut supports the hook, mixing short 0. 5 1-second jumps on motion with longer beats to breathe because rhythm drives rewatch value. Also add readable captions and a direct CTA to like or follow, and pick trending audio or your own catchy sound to trigger algorithmic boosts. Once you've posted several variations, /B test thumbnails, titles, and upload times, then check retention metrics to see what keeps viewers watching longer. You finish by scaling what works. Keep a cadence of 3-5 shorts per week and double down on formats that hit target retention. Make sure to engage in the first hour, reply, pin useful comments, and encourage shares since early interaction signals the algorithm. If performance drops, troubleshoot quickly. Refresh your hook, change the audio, re-edit the opening 3 seconds, or repost after 48 to 72 hours with a new thumbnail to test if the content regains momentum.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.